Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm super pumped about what I'm going to be doing today. I have my ukulele here, which I honestly should be using more often. It's such a beautiful instrument and I really love the way it sounds. So I'm going to attempt to make a beat in the shortest possible amount of time with it, and I'm just going to show how you record it with it and how to make a beat out of it. So if you liked this video, I'd really appreciate you dropping a like, drop a comment down below if you have any questions or input, or just want to let me know how I did, or anything like that. I would really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a live stream, tutorial video, or a beat that I put out. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I have the BPM at 116 because I kind of came up with a little chord progression that I'm going to play. But first, let me show you how I'm recording this. So it's not like you have anything to plug in, like an amplifier or stuff like with an electric guitar. It's an acoustic, so that you're going to try to get the best audio recording through your microphone for it. So I'm selecting a track on the mixer board. I'm going to choose in 1-in 2, and now you can hear my voice coming through here at the same time. So obviously when you're recording, you don't want to be hearing that because it's going to throw you off. So all you have to do to get rid of that is see down here where this thing connects it, you just click this when it's highlighted, boom, it's off and you're perfectly set to go. So yeah, make sure you have a decent quality microphone to do this recording, because if you don't, it's going to be kind of difficult. Okay, so all we're going to do now is, with the track selected, we're going to go up here and hit record audio into playlist as audio clip. So let me show you the chords that I came up with. So yeah, we're gonna go with those chords right there, and I'm gonna try to record it. So I know this might look silly putting my leg up here, but what I'm doing is I'm trying to have the best position to record in, and without having to move this around. So it's in, and when I move on the frets, like, it gives me more stability. So I don't move this around, because with a sensitive microphone, it will definitely pick it up. Fix all this, and I'm probably not gonna include all this in the video, but I'll show you a little bit what I'm gonna do. So you want to see if it's in beat. So that's pretty good right there. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna move it to its own track. Okay, that was weird. Alright, so first let's put on some EQ. So cut out a lot of the low ends and some of the high ends, and raise the middle parts. So let's put on some reverb now. I like to put the sides like all the way up. Let's get sound gooders. Fruity limiter now. So that's pretty decent, and obviously, you know, if you want to get the best quality, you probably should record it more than once, definitely. I highly recommend that if you're trying to get the best possible sounding sample. And so for the purpose of this video though, I'm gonna stick with what I've done right now, and now I'm gonna add a top line to that. So now let's record that. Boom. Alright, that should be decent. Let's put that probably to it, and well, let's see what it sounds like on the same. I think it needs a little less reverb maybe. Yes, some of that is off. My apologies. I'm not the best player, and you know, like I said before, for the sake of this video, I'm probably just going to stick with it, but yeah, you can always get that better. Okay, so boom, right there, I just spliced it. Or sliced it up a little bit to try to get it back on BPM. So this is what it sounds like so far. That was a little off right there, but I kind of butchered that. But yeah, obviously, like I said before, I would re-record that. So, but boom, pretty good so far in only a few minutes. So let's try to add some drums. Okay, so now I'm just adding some basic claps and hi-hats. I'm not sure if I'm going to add an 808 to it. We'll see. It just depends. Okay, that's cool. Okay, boom, we got the kick right there. Got the open hat going. It sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty dope so far. So typically, I would suggest putting a lot of percussion in ukulele songs. I just feel like it's better for like the overall sounding effect of it. And I just think it gives it more of a vibe. Alright, so I'm going to add actually a, let's go into Nexus, and let's choose a piano. I kind of have one in mind. Which one is it? I think it's Netherworlds. Cool, I think that's pretty dope. And obviously you can like lower the pitch of this, like, let's see. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna mess with that this minute, but you get the idea. You can do so much with this, and if you, I mean, like, this is a Cordoba. If you're interested in what type of ukulele this is, I'm using a Cordoba. I forgot the exact model or like what type it is, but it's a pretty nice one. It was like $80 or something, so I would suggest getting one because like it might be a way to upgrade your game. Like having real instruments into your beats can like really change like everything about your beats. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your support. It really means a lot to me. We just hit 200 subscribers a couple of days ago, which is amazing. I'm honestly blessed. And guys, if you want to connect with me or like text me, just go, link in the description to my Instagram, and just go ahead and DM me if you have any questions or just you just want to chat or anything. And then also remember, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe because I've got a lot of awesome content coming out, and I think you will really enjoy it. I've also got some really cool things happening behind the scenes. Like right now, I'm setting up an email list to be able to send out like I'm going to be having beats, and some of those are going to be exclusive to people on the email list. They're going to get to have tons of options to choose from for beats. It's going to be really dope. So I'm going to have a link to that in the description. I'm not sure when I'm going to start sending them out, but I will be at some point. So if you want to be a part of that, all you have to do is click the link and say that you want to subscribe and enter your email, and boom, you're set, and it's going to be awesome. And also, I'm going to be having a sound kit coming out soon. It's going to be really dope. I think I'm going to have a sale at the beginning when I release it, and I will let you guys know and keep you guys updated with when that comes out. But yeah, that should do it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.